room 6 is perfect.
Ramon is about to deliver the chickens to room 3.
Where they'll be eaten!
We've got to stop him. To the stairs.
6th floor! 5th floor! 4th floor!
3rd floor!
Wait!
Here's your order, sir. Small, yellow, and delicious. Ah!
Chickens! Stop chasing the chickens, Big Mouth! Stop chasing Big Mouth chickens! Stop going around the dancers, chasers!
Whoa!
Stop dashing and driving and dragging and dancing down the hallway, everybody! So serve!
Throw it up!
That was one refreshing nap.
6th floor!
Into the room, chickens.
Cheep, cheep. Please return to your rooms, everyone.
Finally! Peace and...
That's the bell, bellhops. George Washington is in the lobby.